Introducing the Advin Health Care Bipolar Collins Knife. Double stem, Storz Type, engineered for precise incision and controlled tissue cutting in urological endoscopic procedures. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials. This Collins knife ensures stable energy transmission and consistent performance. Its double stem design provides enhanced stability and secure fitting within Storz Type resectoscopes, allowing smooth and confident handling during surgery. The finely contoured blade enables clean and accurate incisions with minimal thermal spread, supporting improved surgical safety and faster tissue healing. The polished surface finish enhances visibility and reduces tissue adherence throughout the procedure. Compatible with standard bipolar electrosurgical systems, the Advin Bipolar